In recent discussions about climate change and how to combat it, a variety of innovative strategies have been proposed and explored. Among the myriad of ideas, rumor has surfaced suggesting NASA plans to spray ice into the atmosphere as a measure to control rising global temperatures. However, an in-depth look at NASA's publicly available resources and recent activities reveals no evidence supporting this specific approach as part of their climate change strategy. NASA's Climate Action Plan, as outlined in various updates, emphasizes the agency's commitment to understanding Earth's climate through advanced observation and research rather than through direct atmospheric interventions like ice spraying. Their focus lies in leveraging their vast array of Earth-observing satellites and instruments to gather data on our planet's interconnected systems. This includes monitoring aerosols, greenhouse gases, and the impact of human activities on climate patterns. One of the key aspects of NASA's climate research involves the study of aerosols and their impact on the climate. Aerosols, tiny particles suspended in the atmosphere, can have cooling effects by reflecting sunlight back into space or warming effects depending on their composition. For instance, black carbon aerosols absorb sunlight, warming the atmosphere above them while shading and potentially cooling the surface below. This nuanced understanding of aerosols highlights the complexity of Earth's climate system and the challenges of directly manipulating it. Additionally, NASA's Earth Science Division is actively engaged in numerous projects aimed at understanding climate change more deeply. This includes the EMIT, Earth Surface Mineral Dust Source Investigation, project, which studies the impact of mineral dust in the atmosphere, revealing how even small amounts of certain minerals can significantly affect atmospheric temperatures. These efforts are geared towards enhancing our understanding of natural processes and human impact on the climate rather than implementing geoengineering solutions like ice spraying. In light of these insights, it's clear that NASA's strategy focuses on research, observation, and analysis to inform global efforts against climate change. The idea of spraying ice into the atmosphere does not align with the documented activities or goals of NASA's climate science programs. Such a proposal, while imaginative, diverges from the evidence-based, data-driven approaches NASA currently employs to understand and address climate change. As for concerns about chemical trails or the vindication of such theories, NASA's work remains firmly grounded in scientific research and public transparency. Their efforts aim to provide accurate, actionable information about our changing climate rather than engaging in speculative interventions. In conclusion, NASA's climate change strategy is rooted in observation, research, and global collaboration. The notion of ice spraying as a technique to combat climate change does not reflect the agency's current practices or plans. Instead, NASA continues to play a pivotal role in advancing our understanding of Earth's climate system, offering valuable insights that guide global efforts to mitigate climate change impacts.